In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Realtek audio not working. So whether you can't hear any sound on your computer or you're just having audio issues in general, then to go and fix this, we need to open up the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and then click on this window here. You can then click on the drop down arrow next to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, and then you should see a bunch of different audio drivers for your computer. Now you need to go through each of these one by one and update them manually. So we're going to start with the Realtek one by right-clicking on this and pressing Update Driver, then press Browse My Computer for drivers, click on Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers, select the Realtek High Definition Audio driver and press Next, and then once you've done that, you'll need to do the same for these as well. So we're going to right-click on each of them and press Update Driver, select Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers, and then you can just go through the list and install each of these manually one by one. Once you've updated all of the different drivers in your device, then you can simply go in, restart your computer, and that should have now fixed any audio issues. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.